Welcome to Primary 1, Term 3. We're looking for our maths focus, our numeracy focus today, at how we introduce subtraction. Once your child is confident with addition, the natural step then is to have a look at how we subtract or how we take away. We use both names for the same process. So we start off using things, concrete things that the children can move around. So let's have a look at the first one. If we were to do 5 and we were to take away 3, we'd encourage the children to have a group of 5 and then they're physically taking 3 away. So we've got 1, 2, 3. We can count to see what's left. So I've got left 1, 2. So 5, when I took away 3, I've ended up with 2. Let's try another one. Let's try 4 this time. So I've got 4 beads and I'm going to take away 2. 1, 2. I'm left now with 1, 2 beads. One final time. We're going to start with 3 this time. So I've got 3 beads here and I'm going to take away 1. I'm going to subtract 1. So I'm taking 1 away. Now I've got 1, 2 beads left. Once your child is happy and understands the concept of taking away, removing from the bigger number, we can then have a look at subtraction using pictures. So here we try and use pictures to help illustrate. So here I've got 6 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm taking away, I'm subtracting 2. So we would then get the children to physically cross off 2. 1, 2. How many squares have I got left now? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the children can write the number 4. Here I've got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm subtracting, I'm taking away 1. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3. So I've got 3 left. My answer is 3. Here I've got 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excuse me. And we're taking away 3. 1, 2, 3. How many am I left with? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 4. When your child becomes comfortable and confident using pictures, we then try and get them to create the sum in their head, see the sum in their head. So let's go back to our first sums. You're using a number line. I would really encourage you to think about using a number line at home sort of vertically, because it helps the children to see when they move up the number line, when they're adding, the number becomes bigger. When they're taking away, the number becomes smaller. It goes down closer towards the bottom. So let's look at the number 5. 5, and we're taking away 3. So I'm going to bunny hop. I'm going to do 3 bunny hops. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 2. I've got 4, and I'm taking away 2. I'm starting at the number 4. It's taking away, so I know it's going to be heading down, and I'm bunny hopping 2. 1, 2. So my answer is 2. Let's try one that isn't on the board. Let's start with 8. I'm taking away and I'm going to take away 4. So I'm going to do 4 jumps or 4 bunny hops. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my answer is 4. We can also encourage the children to use their hands. So if I've got 6 and I'm taking away 3, I tuck down 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. And I've got 1, 2, 3 fingers left. Try that again. I've got 10 and I'm taking away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fingers left up. So we'll start with concrete. We then have a look at using pictures. We can use number lines and then fingers before we hope that the children will be able to do it mentally. If your child has any problems, though, please feel free to go and speak to your teacher who can help explain it again if you need any further help.